So welcome to the European office in Berlin. We are at the Collective Awareness Call here on the 12th of January. And we have a very interesting project here called BuildingUtopia, David Boville and Xenia. So maybe you could shortly introduce yourself.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Well, our project or ourselves? We can introduce the project. That's what we're here to talk about. So, building Utopia in Minecraft and Ethereum. So, coming up at the end of the year is a 500-year anniversary of the publication of Thomas More's book Utopia. That gives us the name Utopia. That's why we use the word Utopia. And it seems like a nice time or period to celebrate and discuss the issues raised by the concept, how society could or should be in a pragmatic, real way. So we decided to combine those kind of philosophical, lofty ideas of economics and philosophy and politics in a very playful, popular, game-like manner, which school children around the world, communities can take part in, which is the platform. Minecraft is the best way to build and reconstruct and imagine and model how that island might function.
So what's the main motive of this? Why are you doing it?
Maybe I can basically summarize it. To me, it's the fact that there are a lot of talks happening, a lot of discussions, debates happening, but what we would like to see is the topics of discussions being represented in real builds in the virtual world to basically represent these structures, and then some of the concepts and rules, prototypes, and discussed in these debates or participatory design workshops can be actually shown through being built.
So a lot of the ideas are very abstract, whether it be peer-to-peer economy, whether it be different forms of voting like liquid democracy. But what you can do in Minecraft is you can visualize the buildings and the structures. Should there be one parliament or should there be several buildings? And you can also program, open source, into the server, real currencies, real voting systems, and have a sandbox which you experiment with thousands or even millions of people, and find out what works and what doesn't work. And if it does work, use it in your real communities.
So it's basically a social simulation which brings all these concepts on from very abstract level to just a level of a prototype in a game.
Because some of these new technologies are very powerful. We can really transform the way we work together, the way democracies work, and with that power comes great risk as well. I mean, if you get it wrong, your income and your society can fall apart, or your project that you're running, you use a tool and a way of doing things and it doesn't work because you've been too idealistic or something. So what we can do is we can experiment with real people, with real rules, with real laws and real ways of talking and cooperating in a playful way, and really imagine in a positive, constructive way, not in philosophy. We have to build and make these tools. And so we're going to be releasing an open source game, and we're going to be doing a performance on the anniversary of this 500-year publication.
So that's this year.
Yeah, December. We're looking at maybe doing it at the climate camp, COP21. We're looking at doing a series of events leading up to that and debates with communities about what needs to be built, what can be programmed, and then to find as many spaces, as many schools, as many hack spaces, as many communities that would like to run a local server, invite their local community around, have discussions about this topic, and then play and celebrate together.
If you're looking for some people, or what are you looking for right now?
Well, I mean, so we're looking for spaces, as I said, that would like to take part. We're looking for people who have ideas in terms of tools that they would like to communicate to the world and test out. So people that might have software tools for governance, for decision making, for currencies. We want developers who are interested in learning how to program the server, and learning there are a bunch of tools that need to be made. And we want people who want to play.
And finally, how do people get in contact with you in the best way?
Well, it's a new project, so we have a website up. It's utopia.fm. It's very easy. You can go to that website and you can subscribe and comment. And we have that's it for now. That's the easiest way. We will have a Facebook group and we have an email list, but I've forgotten what it is actually right now. Can you remember?
Talk@utopia.fm.
Talk@utopia.fm is a discussion list that you can take part in.
And can I already build?
And we have at the moment just started at CCC, at the Congress, looking at integrating the two technical platforms, so this peer-to-peer architecture with an open source server in Java. So if you're interested in Java and you're interested in scripting and you're interested in running your own Minecraft server, please get in touch, yes. And yes, if you're just a Minecraft player, we're going to be doing architectural competition, kind of competition, where you can design your own structures and you can submit them, and then if the community kind of likes it, that will be in the final design for the island.
I think it will be somewhere starting in summer.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much, David and Xenia from the European office in Berlin. Thanks.